Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Weber 700-21001. This smoker is top-rated product on our list. This user-friendly smoker doesn't have dials or controls to worry about and works much like a familiar charcoal grill. So it can be a great smoker for people who just want something basic that does the job making tasty barbecue. Heat and smoke are controlled by adjusting the vents, and a water pan collects drips and keeps the interior humid for juicy results. This uses charcoal for the heat source and has 2 cooking grates, so you can fit plenty of food for the family or for a backyard party. A thermometer on the top lets you monitor the interior temperature, while a silicone plug in the side allows standard remote meat thermometers to slide through into the meat for perfect cooking every time. For additional versatility, this smoker can be configured to be used as a standard grill as well. Our second best smoker is Grills ZPG-700D. The Z-Grills is our editor's choice for the best pellet smoker to get past the annoyance of analog thermometers and guessing how much fuel is left for your smoking. Let's watch more.
Hey, I'm Jim, and I'm here to talk about the next evolution in grilling. The 700E series comes fully equipped with a large 20-pound hopper, a durable stainless steel lid, and a compartment to store all your barbecue essentials. To get started, simply plug it in, fill in the hopper with the wood pellet of your choice, and set it to your desired temperature. The ultimate 7-in-1 barbecue smoker grill can bake, roast, braise, smoke, barbecue, grill, and sear your food to perfection. The 700E series is larger than most other models, and it sits on top of a larger storage unit than similar sized models. Cleaning is a breeze. The grease flows from the grill into the drip bucket, which can be reused for gravy, or you can simply dispose of it. The Z-Grill 700E is perfect for any occasion or event. Buy one today and unleash your inner grill master.
Number 3 in our list is Dyna-Glo DG01176BDC-D. This premium smoker takes the cake on our list for several very good reasons. It's large, durable, affordable, feature-rich, and the best offset smoker in its price range. Let's watch more about Dyna-Glo smoker.
This vertical charcoal offset smoker from Dyna-Glo offers quality, performance, and versatility with up to 5 cubic feet of cooking space. This model features an offset smoker box, which is designed to keep direct heat away from the food, an adjustable smokestack, and side damper that work together to improve the airflow and transfer of even heat and smoke into the primary cooking chamber, and 6 adjustable cooking grates that can be raised or lowered to accommodate up to 25 pounds of food per grate. This smoker is designed with a unique charcoal and ash management system that includes a removable ash pan, charcoal grate, and enameled steel charcoal chamber. The chamber improves the burn efficiency of the briquettes by keeping them packed tightly together on the charcoal grate. Raised edges on the grate keep the chamber in place when it is pulled out from the smoker box. Ashes from charcoal and wood are collected in a high-capacity ash tray. The tray is removable for convenient disposal of ashes before and after use. This smoker is made for ease of use with quick-release door latches for easy access, an easy-to-read temperature gauge with smoke zone to indicate the ideal temperatures for infusing smoke flavor. In addition to being easy to use, this smoker is also stylish with a powder coat black finish, beveled primary and offset doors, and chrome-plated wire handles. So take your grilling to the next level with the Dyna-Glo charcoal offset smoker.
Our fourth pick is Cuisinart COS-244. Cuisinart is one of the most useful smoker in our list. It's not that much big on size. One of the biggest drawbacks of any smoker design is poor access to the fire pit and smoking chamber. This vertical smoker has two separate doors with sturdy steel handles and hinges, so you can easily access each space. Plus, the propane fuel is outside and separate from the smoker, so each item is easily accessible. Inside the smoker has 4 stainless steel shelves which can be removed or rearranged for different setups. Overall, the profile of this cabinet smoker is quite small and can easily fit on the deck or patio out of the way. One thing to keep in mind is that the additional water tray takes up a rack space and there's no real drip pan drippings fall into the chip tray. Last on our list is Masterbuilt 20mm722115. This Masterbuilt smoker could be the smoker you've been waiting for. This has a total of 721 square inches of the cooking area included are 2 chrome-coated racks that will never stick to your food. The 800-watt heating element smokes food evenly and efficiently. You can easily monitor food with its blue LED display. Even when you're doing something else and you're on the other side of the room, checking out the temperature of your smoker is very easy with this blue LED display features. Other features that will make the Masterbuilt 20mm722115 smoker the best smoker is the built-in thermostat temperature control that you can adjust from 100 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. The outer and inner surfaces are easy to clean, while the front has been redesigned with a front access pan where grease and dirt drain from. Let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!